sounding like a nice, relaxing pampering session. What? Is that music? Oh, Sammy, what are you doing?
It's time for the greatest show on Earth, Sam's Circus! You'll be amazed as I juggle these plates with ease. Hey!
No way! Those are the good dinner plates. If you want to be part of the circus, come with me.
What are you up to, Sue? Okay, I'm coming!
You just need some nano tape to become a part of a circus. Actually, I'll need some modeling clay too.
Look, Sue! I'm balancing on this ball! I'm a natural! Ouch!
Thanks, Sam. Are you okay?
I'm just admiring the pretty star, Sue!
The circus life will suit you, Sammy. You're a natural entertainer. Well, what do you say?
You're right! I am! The show must go on!
That's the spirit. Okay, here we go.
You know, I could use these.
Uh-oh, that sounds like trouble. Usually when you say so, it doesn't end up well. But all right, I'm curious. You can take those, Sammy. Just save some for me. I've got a lot of crafting to do.
My clown days are over. Now I'm a ringmaster and a lion tamer.
Is there anything you can't do? Wait, did you say a lion tamer?
I sure did. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Be careful, Sammy. That's one mean-looking lion behind you.
Please, Susan. I'm a professional. I think I can handle an overgrown cat.
Well, I prefer less dangerous hobbies, like making fun crafts. Alrighty, let's put these two parts together. Isn't it a perfect hat, friends? And we can't do without a face, right?
What have you been eating? Your breath stinks.
I've got some mints if that helps. Sammy, I think you smell like cat food.
Okay, I will take a shower if you insist.
Yeah, and remember to brush your teeth, too. I better speed up and finish this before Sam gets back. It might stop him from getting into more mischief. At least that's what I hope. But anything's possible with our little pink slime. There we go. Perfect!
I feel so much better. I needed a spa day.
Now let's make some shoes for our craft. Ooh, I would love a pair of sneakers like that. Sammy, I've almost finished the first craft.
And I've just ordered a kale smoothie, so this better be good. Wow, it is good!
I knew you'd like it. This is the first performer for your circus. But it would be a pretty boring circus with only one member, right?
Oh, have you forgotten about me? Super Strength Sam!
That's an interesting costume you've got.
I know, it suits me. I found it in Roger's closet.
Wait, I don't think Roger has anything of that size. I wouldn't want to be around when Roger finds out you cut up his clothes.
You're forgetting I'm Super Strength Sam! Watch as I lift this really, really heavy weight with ease!
That's incredible. I didn't think you could do that.
Sue, I want to help you with the craft, but you need to hold this for me!
But this is made from nano tape. It's not heavy at all.
Yeah, well, there's no refunds. Here, take this.
Oh, Sammy. Ooh, this feels good. Owie! But I can't stop now. There's more work to do. I need to make a body for that little squishy. help the feeling that it needs something else. But what?
Oh, darling, that purple thing needs an outfit!
That's it! That's exactly what it needs! Thanks!
I'll draw the next big fashion trend.
I'm sure you will. And I can't wait to see it. Wow, it's the perfect fit!
I need this to be perfect, too! I'm gonna disrupt the fashion world!
Now, I'll add some details. After all, that's what makes the difference. These will be the arms. Here we go. And we'll definitely need 2 hands as well. So, how are you getting on back there, Sammy?
I finally finished, Sue. It was difficult, but I did it.
Great. I can't wait to see your creation.
Here it is, Susie. Check it out. So, do you like my masterpiece?
Great job. And take a look at our squishy. It's so cool. Look. Woohoo! Ha-ha! Honestly, I can play like this all day.
I love it! But let's make another performer to make my circus even more fun! Yay!
You're right! We definitely need one more character, and I know exactly what squishy to make. Can you guess who it will be? Here goes a neat cut! Come on, friends! Give us a thumbs up if you guessed this character, and subscribe if you like our crafts. I'll put this blue soon-to-be button right here. And this is how I can make it look even better. You know, it's pretty easy. It's like doing my makeup.
Did someone say makeup? I've been working on my contouring skills.
Sorry, Sammy. We're using pens for this craft. There's no actual makeup involved.
Wait. I can practice on this ball. I'll be right back.
Go for it. It's always good to practice your skills. This color is amazing. I love it.
Oh, yeah, this is wonderful. Fabulous.
This is going to be the hair. Now, check this out. Cool, right? And what's the point of a stylish hairstyle when there are no accessories? Oh, that's so cute. Now let's make the rest. This reminds me of something. Ice cream!
Huh? Did someone say ice cream? Oh, nom.
No, I said it reminds me of ice cream. Why don't we go and get some after we finish? I'm sure I'll need it. I'm really working up an appetite right now. Here are the finishing touches to the dress. And it's time for the arms and legs. I think this might be my favorite part of the craft. Really. It reminds me of a doll I had when I was a kid. Do you like it, Sammy?
She's so sweet, Sue. Anyway, it's time for more important things. Behold, my masterpiece.
I mean, what is that thing?
Yeah, I know it's pretty terrifying. At least your squishies are better. I want to see all of them.
That was amazing!
I love the trapeze part the best. No, the juggling. No, I loved it all.
If you like this video, friends, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We love you. Bye.